Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to cook both noodles. Let's begin. I start by marinating the pork with cornstarch, baking soda, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, canola oil. Marinate for 1 hour in room temperature. Let's make the soup. Roast the mixed spice until it's fragrant. Then put it in a spice holder. Add cilantro root and garlic. Boil 4 liters of water on high heat. Add the spice holder in the water. Add pork rib, pickled garlic juice, salt. Once the water boils, then skim the fat out. Add seasoning soy sauce or light soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, whitenradish, celery, and carrot. Pork meatballs. Let it boil about 30 minutes, then turn to medium heat. Now prepare the lemongrass leaves, pork blood, coconut milk. Squish it all together until the lemongrass is fragrant. Slowly add the pork blood to the pot. If you don't like the pork blood, you can skip it. Let it boil for about 30 minutes. After that, cook the marinated pork and remove to a bowl. Cook the noodles and vegetables in water separate pot. Add some of the vegetables in the bowl. Add some rice noodles, some fried garlic. Add chopped celery. Add cilantro, green onion, and white pepper. Add the meat and soup. Sprinkle some dry Thai chili powder. Now the both noodles are ready. Thank you for watching my video. See you again next time. I'm gonna show you how to cook Thai shrimp spicy sour soup or tom yum goong. Cooking is fun.